So I get asked, well, what are the benefits of teaching your children how to ride power sports product, right? Whether it's an ATV, UTV, dirt bike, doesn't really matter. First and foremost, I feel like agility skills, it's maneuverability, it's awareness, all these things that come along with operating a motor vehicle that gives them motor skills, right? How to be able to judge the throttle, how to be able to judge the brake, how to shift their weight back and forth, balance, and also how to judge speed, judge their terrain, who's around them, what's around them, how fast they'll get to somewhere, how quickly they need to brake or not, how smoothly they're gonna brake or accelerate. These are all things that they're gonna learn while they're riding. These are very important techniques that we teach our children at young ages to be able to push them up through the ranks as they grow. Because these are things that you'll never learn behind any phone or any tablet, video game. Even most sports will never teach them these concepts. So these are something that we definitely train our children, and we advocate as a young age to get them out and get them new experiences, spend time with them, teach them new skills. And that's definitely one reason why we want our children to learn these things.